Graph theory, example 5. So we're going to take all the vocabulary terms that we have learned so far, and we are going to try them out on example 5. So what I'd like to do is list a degree of every single vertex here, so I can list the odd vertices and the even vertices. So A has a degree of 2, B has a degree of 2, C has a degree of 3, E has a degree of 4, F has a degree of 1, G has a degree of 3, D has a degree of 3. So our odd vertices are C, G, D, and F. And our even vertices are A, B, and E. Okay, what vertex has the loop? It looks like G does. Name at least one bridge. We have a couple of bridges here. If you would have said FE, that's one bridge. And edge GE is also another bridge. Identify at least one circuit. Well, we have many things that we could have here that we could list as a circuit. So I'm just going to list one of them. And it's A, B, C, D, and then back to A.